Hello everyone, this is Dr. Aparna G. Sajjan from VPKBIT Baramati. In this video lecture, we will discuss about the engineering thermoplastics, one of the category of specialty polymers. Normal polymers, they are long chain giant organic molecules with high molecular weight and they are made up of monomers, the n number of repeating simple molecules. Examples of polymers, common examples, polystyrene, polypropylene, polyvinyl chloride, etc. But the specialty polymers, they are also the same polymers, but their characteristic features are different from these ordinary polymers. They are high performing polymers. They are designed to meet the critical requirements that engineers face. Widely used in automobile industries, aeronautic industries, and smart devices. The examples include polyacetylene, polycarbonate, and polyparaphenylene vinylene. When n number of monomers, simple molecules, combine together, they undergo polymerization and they form long chain molecule known as polymer. There are different categories of specialty polymers that includes engineering thermoplastics, the superior thermoplastics over the ordinary thermoplastics, biodegradable polymers that undergo degradation with the help of microorganisms, conducting polymers that conduct electricity, electroluminescent polymers that emit light in presence of electricity, liquid crystalline polymers having the properties both of liquids as well as crystalline solids, and the polymer composites, they are formed by mixing the matrix and the reinforcing agent. In this video lecture, we will continue with only the engineering thermoplastics, taking polycarbonate as an example. Let us define engineering thermoplastics. These are the materials that maintain mechanical and dimensional stability above 100 degrees Celsius as well as below 0 degree Celsius. And typically they are replacing the metals as well as ceramic like materials. That means they maintain their strength, mechanical strength, shape and size even when they are used below 0 degree Celsius as well as above 100 degree Celsius. That is why they are superior to commodity plastics and they are high performing. They are having more thermal stability than the ordinary thermoplastics and they are also having extraordinary strength than the ordinary thermoplastics. Some of the examples of engineering thermoplastics are written here in the slide. Polysulfones, aliphatic and aromatic polyketones, nylon, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene ABS copolymer, polycarbonate, and others. So polycarbonate, famously known as Lexan, was first developed in 1953 separately by Bayer in Germany and also by General Electric in US. It is a thermoplastic containing n number of carbonate linkages in its chemical structure. That is why the name is polycarbonate. It is used in engineering field as a strong and tough material and is also transparent. It can be molded into different shapes and sizes under heat and it is having high or outstanding impact resistance. It is a leading plastic material. It is also durable and is a preferred material over polymethyl methacrylate and other acrylic polymers. It is having wide workable temperature range. That means it can be used up to 140 degrees Celsius from minus 40 degrees Celsius. It is a good material for industries. It can be recycled. Now let us see the synthesis of polycarbonate. Polycarbonate can be synthesized by two methods. First method is the traditional method, which uses these two as monomers, that is bisphenol A and phosgene. Being toxic, phosgene, therefore the traditional method is not preferable one. This method takes place in presence of NaOH with the liberation of sodium chloride salt. So these two are the monomers. One is the bisphenol A and the other is phosgene. And polycondensation takes place in between these two, or polycondensation occurs in between these two monomers. N number of bisphenol A molecules combine with N number of phosgene molecules, gas molecules. With the liberation of HCl molecule here, condensation reaction is taking place here with the liberation of simple HCl molecule, and this HCl molecule later on combines with NaCl forming NaOH forming NaCl. So this is how the polymeric chain of polycarbonate is formed with OCO and O again here linkage, the carbonate linkage, and 2NHCl molecules are formed here. So the H from bisphenol A, that is the OH group of the hydroxyl or the phenolic group of bisphenol A, is combining with the Cl of this phosgene and getting converted into HCl. So second method of synthesis is the green method, which involves one of the monomer is common here, bisphenol A, but the method is molten state polymerization. Another monomer used is diphenyl carbonate. These two monomers are initially melted and they are mixed in their molten state. Hence, polycondensation occurs between these two in the molten state. Therefore, the name given is molten state polymerization. So these two are the monomers. This is diphenyl carbonate and this is bisphenol A. And here N number of bisphenol A molecules combine with N number of the diphenyl carbonate molecules, and therefore the polycondensation occurs here between these two. You can see here the H of phenolic group of bisphenol A, this H and this H, combining with the C6H5O group to form phenol as the byproduct. Only the CO of diphenyl carbonate, the diphenyl carbonate CO, is combining with the O here. So this is how the formation of the polycarbonate is taking place in this method. Same polycarbonate is formed, but the byproduct formed here is phenol. So two molecules of the H from this bisphenol A and the C6H5O of the diphenyl carbonate, these two are combining to form the phenol. So therefore we get here 2N molecules of phenol as byproduct. Now let us see some of the important properties of polycarbonate. It maintains good mechanical properties between minus 40 degrees Celsius and 147 degrees Celsius. That means it can be used in between this temperature, wide useful temperature range. It is having high impact resistance and also it is resistant to fracture, therefore it is durable. It is also scratch resistant and resistant to weathering. It can be called as scratch proof. It is highly resistant to ultraviolet rays. That means it can be used for making sunglasses. It can be easily colored by adding pigments and is also non-toxic in nature. It is having a high refractive index with high optical clarity. Some other properties, it is acting as an electrical insulator and is also high heat resistant. That means it can be used up to plus 140 degrees Celsius. It is tough that because it is having high impact resistance. It is amorphous, that is why it is transparent, and it is having density 1.22 gram per cc. It is having indeed the highest Tg value for any of the thermoplastic materials possessed by this polycarbonate of 147 degrees Celsius. Highest Tg ever known for thermoplastics 147 degrees Celsius and Tm 155 degrees Celsius. You can see here the Tg is the temperature below which the molecule is existing in the glassy state, glass-like state. So the Tg for this polycarbonate is 147 degrees Celsius. That means when it is used at room temperature, it will be in its glass-like state. It will be glass-like, transparent and hard and tough like glass. When it is used at room temperature up to 147, this property is maintained. But after 147 up to 155 degrees Celsius, it will be in its soft and flexible plastic-like state or rubbery state. And after 155, it starts to melt. So it is also resistant to acids, mineral oils, alcohol and vegetable oils. That means it can be used with these kind of materials. It is reacting with strong acids and bases, not dilute, strong acids and bases. It reacts with ketones as well as chlorinated hydrocarbons. So with these important properties, let us see the applications of polycarbonate. Polycarbonate is widely used in bullet resistant or shatter resistant glass applications like the one which is shown in the picture here. The bullet resistant shield as well as helmet is used here. Then next application of polycarbonate is in the lenses, because it is having high refractive index. It is used in lenses as well as it is having UV resistant properties. Therefore it can be used in such type of applications. It is also bullet proof, therefore it is used in defense mechanism as well as in banks. These windows are built in bank. They are also transparent as well as they are also bullet resistant. The other applications of polycarbonate is in making of sunglasses, spectacles and also the instrument lenses like the camera lenses. Polycarbonate sheets or panel is a good replacement for glass or acrylic. Therefore, it is widely used in the roofs, walkways and terraces, or also used for fencing. Some other applications. Polycarbonate sheets are also used in greenhouses like the one shown here, agriculture, as well as for sound insulation, the one shown here, and also for the electric insulation in this electric housing. It is also used as flame retardant and electric insulator in CDs, DVDs, cell phones and laptop parts. Used in vacuum desiccators and safety shields. This is the laboratory safety shield and also used in police safety shields. Water bottles, milk feeding bottles. These milk feeding bottles that can be sterilized in boiling water and also used in food containers blender bowls, even if small amount of heat is generated here in the mixer grinders, the polycarbonate material is not affected because it can be used up to minus 40 degrees Celsius and up to 147 degrees Celsius. Some other applications include headlamp cases, nameplates, aircraft parts and automobile parts, electric meter housing and covers, dome lights and canopies. These are the applications of polycarbonate. So let us see in general all the applications together here. This is how the polycarbonate is the material that is widely in demand nowadays, and most industries use this polycarbonate. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.